this is Connor Al, welcome back. So, I've just recorded the other episode, and it's literally uploading as I speak. So, yeah, someone crashed into me. So yeah, I was going to put it into there to change the colours, but I'm going to destroy it first. So it says wrecked. This is a great bit. It automatically, so after you get a big crash, it fixes it. If it says wrecked, if it says drive away, then it looks so injured. Alright, so now it's time to change the colours. Oh, beautiful. Wait. I want to have it like that because it changes the colour and go around. There's no red and something. I hate the colour purple. Gloss. Wait, finish 2. I won't finish 2. Then we'll go metallic. Oh, yes. This screams yes at me. I usually hate things like that, but that just screams yes. Usually I like orange and red. Wait. I want to start up the car, just so I can listen to the sound of the car starting up. Come on. I need to wait for the map and the boost bar to go away. Oh yes! The sound is great. Like, so when you upgrade your license, there's a new car that runs around the streets. You need to take it down to add it to your collection of cars. And it can be random. My friend actually got like a tank-like car. It wasn't, I don't think it was a tank, but it was a tank-like car. Ooh. I'm going to show you all my cars that I have, so you can actually see how awesome some of these cars are. I love the sound. Stop. Might not have been looking where I'm going, but you still need to chill out, mate. yes. So, that one better than I was expecting. That's what I was trying to do. So my other video's done. I'll do another video and I'll put them two videos together so you can actually see my other cars. Because right now I've only got another 2 minutes 20. I was going to say 2 minutes 20, but it's less than that now. 2 minutes 10 seconds of recording. I'm not going to make it, am I? Oh, what's that there? Oh, okay. I'm nearly able to get the drifting, well not drifting, but burnout thing. Wait, when you've gotten all of them for the collection, I don't know what happens, but I think you get a new car. You can, wait a second, I need to just get this. Okay, got it. This is Connor Owl, welcome back. So, I've just uploaded the other video, the first one. So I've just uploaded that video where I actually got the car. So, I'm having troubles, technical difficulties. Yeah? So yeah, I wanted to show you all of my cars, so I'm going to start with the first one. Got this one of my personal favourites. Then I have this one. At the bottom, when it shows the cars, it shows them differently to what I've actually put them as. I've got that one. Then I have this one. I think that one's also got red. Yeah. It's just going to be quick overviews of them. I really like this one. And I've also got this one. one I just really don't want to show because I have my reasons. And there's this one. And there's this one. And by this time, I'm not even halfway through. Oh yes. And I have this one. This one, I kept it as it was before, so it looks so cool. I've got this one. I have 75 cars owned. Wow. And there's this one. And there's this one. I can't get rid of that dust stuff. Can't get rid of the dust. It's annoying. One of my personal favourites. Followed up by another one of my personal favourites. This one is super fast. I have this one. And I have this one. I can't get rid of the rust on the front, which is horrible. Literally. Oh, it's not just on the front. I find like when it's got rust on, it's horrible, but when it's got dust or rust, dust, anything, it's horrible. Yeah. And I've just got the silver car of silver, is what I call it. Then I've got this one, which you saw in my last episode, in the episode before that. I've got this one. This one, I feel like it's just so much of a go because silver parts here and here just look like the flicks of eyelashes. It's great. And I've got my silver and black one. No, not silver and black one, gold and black. I find it great. Then I've got this one. Great for speed. And then it's one of my favourites. And then the newest addition to the family, another favourite, this one.